Good morning. Our topic for today is about solar system. So, solar system is the planets in our galaxy, which is the Milky Way. We are one of the solar system in the Milky Way. So, many astronomers have attempted to discover the truth about our world and beyond. With that collective knowledge we gain from these efforts, we have come to understand and continue to discover worlds beyond our own. So, in our solar system, we have Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system and in the closest to the Sun. It is slightly larger than Earth's moon. The Sun would appear more than 3 times as large from the surface of Mercury as it is thus from Earth. And the sunlight would come up 7 times brighter kapag nandun ka sa Mercury. So next, we have Venus. Venus is the Earth's closest planetary neighbor and the second planet from the Sun. It is sometimes referred to as Earth's twin due to its size and density. Even though Mercury is the closest to Sun, Venus is the hotter in our solar system. Its surface temperature is approximately 475 degrees Celsius. So now we have Earth. Earth is our home planet, the third planet from the Sun, and it is composed of various elements, primarily rock and water. And its atmosphere is the only place we know of that can sustain life. Earth is the largest of 4 closest planets to the Sun, which are all made up of metal. So next, we have Mars. Mars is often called the red planet. It is the 4th planet from the Sun in our solar system. Mars has a thin atmosphere primarily composed of carbon dioxide and experiences extreme temperature fluctuation, along with having seasons, polar ice caps, canyons, and an extinct volcano. Mars is dynamic. So next we have Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It is recognized for its immense size, with a diameter of 11 times that of Earth. This gas giant has a powerful magnetic field, visible stars like the Great Red Spot, and a system of moons, the 4th largest of which are known as the Galilean moons. So we have Saturn. Saturn, often called the jewel of the solar system, is the 2nd largest planet, and it is known for its beauty and prominent rings. Saturn is a gas giant primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. Its rings are made up of countless particles of ice and dust, creating the breathtaking sight when viewed. So now we have Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun, like Jupiter and Saturn. Uranus has an atmosphere composed primarily of hydrogen and helium, but it is also contain methane. Uranus rotates on its side, making its axis almost parallel to its orbit plane, which contributes to its unique season. Now we have Neptune. Neptune is the 8th planet of our solar system. It is primarily known for its bluish hues and it's recognized as an ice giant due to its composition of icy substance. It is the most distant planet in our solar system. The planet has 14 known moons, with Triton being the largest and the most well-known among them. So that ends our topic for today. Thank you for listening.